Hello friend. In the previous video, I made a spinning spinner from a copper tube. In this video, we will test the spinner's rotation in water and cover the copper blade with silver. Because the blade is flat, the rotation starts poorly. I will fix this by making the blade convex. I made the blade convex using a board as a base, a semicircular metal object, and a hammer. I will use a silver nitrate medical pencil to coat the blade with silver. I will add chalk and a little water. Then rub the blade with this mixture. A lure with an elongated blade is great for fishing in river currents and rapids. Friends, here is the result of coating the blade with silver. In one of my earlier videos, I silver-plated a brass lure. The silver adhered better to brass than to copper. As you can see, the copper tarnished heavily. To achieve a better quality result, the surface of the blade needs to be polished before silver plating. DIY fishing make our lives more interesting. Subscribe to the channel to not miss out on good videos for good people. I will be happy to see your comments.